take it away. And now, let's be quiet and hear this motor, just for you. Go and set it down to 1. Door closer, press the button. We love that. For some reason, it just lost the focus. There we go. We got Alex, also known as Gluse.
This used to be carpeted floor.
I know.
Before they...
We'll go for one ride, and I'll push the button this time if you want.
Sure.
All right, you ready to hear this motor?
Yep.
Here we go. Wow, aren't we lucky we found an epic motor Dover?
I sure am. This one is really awesome.
It really is. How about we take for one last ride? This is just amazing.
Okay, one more ride after this.
All right, and I'll let you do the honors this time. I really can't get enough of this elevator. We're so excited of this. All right, motor. All right, back down to 1, and we're gonna stop.
Yep. I just love Dover Classic, or Dover traditional buttons.
Yeah. Did you already get a cavity already?
Yeah, I already did.
Yeah, look at this carpet. They redone this
It
thing.
used to be carpet, but now it's tiles, or stone tiles.
Look in the mirror. Hi. All right, these are your fixtures. They're traditional. Whoa!
It had a sensor on there.
Yep, it does. I'll show you. See?
Close up awfully fast.
Does have a sensor.
Yeah. It just wants to close off fast.
Yeah, not like a Westinghouse. All right, so before you end, what do you say now?
Bye.
That's it.